Assalamu alaikum and good morning student. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Student, today our topic is what our body part do. Our body has many parts. All parts of our body are useful. They help us do our work. We use our hands to touch things. We write with our hands. We also use hands for lifting, holding, pulling and pushing. We use our eyes to see things. We can tell how big or a small thing is. We use our nose to smell things. Some things smell sweet, some things smell bad. We use our tongue to taste things. We can taste sweet, salty, sour, and bitter things. We use our ears to hear things. We can hear loud and soft sound.